Today, we will review the Titan Army P2510G2, a 24.5-inch gaming monitor with 200Hz refresh rate and IPS panel. For the price, 5,699. Worth it kaya? Tara, check natin! Inside the box, we have product warranty, HDMI cable, power adapter, stand, and base. Hindi siya hassle i-setup since wala ka nang kailangan i-screw dito. May design for cable management yung stand to keep your setup clean and organized. Design-wise, it looks modern, thin bezels, matte screen, and minimal logo. It also has 5 buttons to control the monitor settings. For the ports, we have HDMI, DisplayPort, audio output, and power. Besta compatible so pwede mong i-mount sa wall or monitor arm. Ang downside lang, tilt lang yung magagawa mo for adjustments. So kung gusto mo i-rotate or i-adjust yung height, I suggest na gamitan mo na lang ng monitor arm. At para naman sa airflow, it has ventilation holes to prevent overheating. For display, 24.5-inch Full HD resolution with 200Hz refresh rate, 1ms gray-to-gray response time, 16:9 aspect ratio, and a PAS IPS panel. Good enough for fast-paced games like Valorant and CSGO. It also supports adaptive sync, designed to reduce screen tearing, stuttering, and input lag for a smoother gaming experience. Ideal din for web browsing, photo, and video editing dahil consistent and accurate color reproduction. It also comes with HDR400 kaya brighter yung highlights and deeper contrast. In addition, may built-in flicker-free technology making it perfect for long gaming or editing sessions. Sa OSD menu, you will find 10 scenario modes and a full set of settings like brightness, contrast, DCR, low blue light, sharpness, gamma, aspect ratio, color temperature, hue, saturation, and even an eye shade reminder. Meron ding Game Plus section where you can activate HDR game or movie. Dito mo rin itatago yung adaptive sync, enable feature enhancement for more vivid colors, and access other visual options. May game aid feature din to display the current refresh rate and even show a crosshair for FPS games. Aside from gaming, this monitor is also good for productivity. With clear and sharp text, you can easily multitask. Perfect para sa mga nagwo-work on documents, spreadsheets, or browsing with multiple tabs. Maganda din yung color and accurate from different position, which is good for creative work like graphics and content creation. Sakto din yung flicker-free and low blue light to reduce eye strain, especially during long work sessions. In my gaming experience, this monitor delivered smooth and responsive performance with 200Hz refresh rate and 1ms response time kaya less motion blur and ghosting. Good enough for competitive games like Valorant, Dota 2, and other FPS games. Though may backlight bleed in dark areas but hindi naman ganun ka big deal. During intense action scenes, may minimal ghosting pero hindi naman distracting and hindi mo siya mapapansin pag naglalaro ka. And with the help of adaptive sync, wala akong napansin na screen tearing kahit na mabilis yung camera pans. As for color quality, impressive, vibrant, rich, and consistent, which added a lot to the overall visual experience. Kaya engaging pagdating sa RPG games. Sakto din for watching movies dahil cinematic, especially sa mga scenes na may dramatic lighting at colorful visuals. Overall, the Titan Army P2510G2 is a reliable option para sa mga naghahanap ng gaming monitor na 200Hz refresh rate, 1ms response time, and vibrant IPS display. Perfect din para sa mga naka-laptop na gustong i-upgrade yung screen nila. Since mag-work naman yung 200Hz refresh rate using HDMI cable. Ang nakikita ko lang na downside nito, limited yung adjustability. But with the help of monitor arm, wala nang problema. Take note, for G-Sync compatible, kailangan nyo ng DisplayPort to enable G-Sync and 200Hz refresh rate. Kung AMD naman yung graphics card mo, mag-work yung 200Hz and FreeSync using HDMI cable. As long as HDMI 2.0 yung ports mo. So kung interested kayo sa monitor, click nyo lang yung link sa description. And kung meron kayong other questions, i-comment nyo lang and sasagutin natin yan. So ayun lang guys, thank you for watching my videos and I hope nakatulong ako. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.